Yes, they were gonna continue doing the work. So that's what I'm saying. That make sure you're ready with your typing sheets and your math set.
My Savior's God, victorious. My chains are gone, my debt is paid. From death to grace to grace.
Okay, guys, let's begin today's class. So yesterday we worked with question number one and question number two when it comes to constructing quadrilaterals, and basically what we want to do today is just continue with that. We're not going to be doing an introductory activity today because that is going to take us some time to do. So we're just going to dive right into the constructions, right? So yesterday, like I said, we worked with question number one and question number two. Question number one was basically when you have the four sides that are given and then there is one diagonal that is given to you. Question number two was when you are given three sides and then you are given two diagonals. And yesterday when we did that construction, I had told you guys when you measure the last line, the line that stayed at the top, I think it was RS, it had to give you 3.4 exactly. And if that was the case, then your construction was correct. So that's one way how you could have checked your construction. Today, now we're going to look at question number three, and question number three is the same as number one, where they give you four sides and one diagonal. And what we want to understand from this drawing is that they're giving you A, B, and C, right? A, B, C, D. Let me connect to my Jamboard and see. I'm going to share this screen instead. Okay. So we're going to do a rough drawing of what it's supposed to look like so that when we go ahead and do the construction, then we can have a clear idea of what it is that we have to do. So Jamboard. Okay. Okay, so this question gives us a shape, and this shape is A, B, C, D. A, B, C, and D. And then the question says that AB is 3.5. So I'm going to write 3.5 over here. It says that BC, take a look at that. BC is 3.8. It says CD is the same as DA. So CD is gonna be 4.5, 4.5, and AD Where is my question? AD or DA, which is the other diagonal, is gonna be 4.5 as well because they're the same. And then diagonal BD, sorry, that shouldn't be a diagonal, but this one over here is 5.6 BD. And that is what the question is giving me. And that is what I have to construct. Anybody has any questions? Everybody understood what it is that we have to, our target drawing?
Yes, miss.
Okay, good.
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Okay, good. So now what we're gonna be doing is that, here's my math pen. Let me share my board. Um, okay, you guys can see the board?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So the first thing that we want to do is that we want to draw a line, and the line that we want to draw is CD. So you need your rulers, and you want to draw it leaving space at the top because the construction is going to happen at the top. And you want to draw a line that measures 4.5. So 4.5 exactly. There you go. Right? And then you can center it because it's going to be a very small line. You can go ahead and center that as well. And you get 4.5. And then this is going to be C and then D. CD. After you have your line CD, you're going to take your ruler and you want to take your compass and you're going to set your compass at 0, always at 0, exactly at 0, and you're going to open your compass to 3.8. And then once you have opened it to 3.8, you're going to take it and you're going to set it at point C, and you're going to be drawing an arc. And you have your arc. Everybody has that?
Miss,
Yes.
how much is CD?
CD is 4.5. CD is 4.5. And then you're going to open your compass to 3.8.
That's one, miss.
This is number 3. We are working with number 3. Now, bear in mind, guys, that this way that I'm showing you is not the only way. Like the steps that I'm doing, the steps can vary, right? So I'm just showing you guys the steps in one order, but you could have done it in a different order once the end product looks the same. So next, you're going to take your ruler and you're going to take your compass again. And then you're going to place your compass at point 0 again. And I would like you guys to open your compass to to 5.6. 5.6. 5.6. And then you're going to set it at D. And you want to make an arc that crosses these. Yes.
The next one is
And then what you're going to be doing is that you're going to be connecting the points. And this is going to be point B. Yes?
yes, miss.
Okay. Now what you're going to be doing is that you're going to take your compass, your ruler, and then you take your compass, and your compass, you will set it at 0, and you're going to open it to 4.5. 4.5, and you're going to set it at D. And then you're going to make an arc. Right? Yes?
The next one is
Then you're going to take your compass and you're going to measure 3.5. 3.5, and you're going to set it at B, and then you're going to make an arc. And then you just connect your points.
Miss, is this number three?
This is number 3. Do I need to repeat what I did?
Clear, miss, clear. Next.
Okay. Okay, guys, can we move?
Continue.
Do I continue?
Yes, miss, continue.
Okay. Okay, let's clear this then, and let's go to question number 4. Question number
Wait,
4.
miss, wait, miss.
Ooh, yes. Wait. Like, I already deleted it.
Okay, miss, okay.
You can go back and watch the video later. Um, Question number 4. Let me share this one. Question number 4 says construct. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD where AB is the same length as BC and both of them measure 3.5 centimeters. But also AD and CD measure the same thing, which is 4.2 centimeters. And angle ABC is 120 degrees. Okay. So I did ask you guys to watch the video on how to construct angles. How many of you watched the video? Nobody?
Nobody, miss.
So how are you gonna construct the angle? See, if I didn't if I wasn't helping you guys do this, todos consiguen zero. Let me share this instead. Okay, Jamboard, not the Jamboard, my math pad. We are going to draw line AB first. So I want you guys to draw a line that measures 3.5. Draw a line that measures 3.5. Your ruler, take a line, and you draw 3.5. And then this line is going to be AB. Yes?
Yes. Yes, miss.
Okay.
Miss, one question.
Yes.
The line, you could draw it anywhere or it have to be exactly like in the board?
What do you mean? The line that I drew just now, AB? It can be anywhere in your paper, but I would suggest like a little bit below halfway of your page so that because the construction will happen at the top.
Okay, miss.
Miss, 128 could be, miss.
3.5. So you have one line that measures 3.5 and then you label that AB. Now, before we go ahead and do any measurement, we have to draw the angle. And the angle is placed at ABC. When they tell you angle ABC, capital A, capital B, capital C, that does not mean that O and A voy a dibujar 120, B 120, and C 120. No, because if you do that, I will be so disappointed in you guys because 120 times 3 already gives you 360, and we know that a quadrilateral has 360 degrees. So, ¿qué pasó con el otro angle? Would the measure zero? No. So, when they give you A, B, C, the angle is always in the middle letter. So, what does that mean? That where I see B, that is where I'm going to draw 120 degrees. Right? So, 120 degrees. 120 degrees, what kind of angle is that? Acute, right, obtuse?
Okay. Obtuse, miss.
Obtuse. Very good. Whoosh, I feel like I have to send some of you back to second farm or first farm because worrisome. Now, 120 degrees means that my angle is gonna come, my line has to be somewhere in this direction because my angle more than 90 degrees, so tiene que pasar, and it's gonna be somewhere around here. So my angle is gonna be a big angle. I need to construct that. So take your compass, put it at B, take your compass, put it at B, and you're gonna put it to about half. See, about halfway of the line. and you're gonna draw an arc.
We're not gonna measure this.
No, don't measure it. No, it doesn't really matter. You measure it. So I'm approximating. Open it about halfway of the line, and you're gonna draw an arc. See my arc? Almost like a half circle. You're gonna draw like that. Do not. You see how much you open it right now? Do not close it. Hold it to that measurement. Do not move that measurement. So you have your compass. See the distance that I open it? I am not going to open or close it more. Hold that distance. Everybody has the arc?
Yes.
Yes, yes, miss.
Good. You're gonna take your compass and you're gonna put it over here where the arc crosses your line. At that point, and you're gonna draw an arc over there. Everybody has that?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
This is a 60-degree angle. If you guys had watched the video, you would have known that this is how we draw a 60-degree angle. But I want how much?
120.
120, miss.
120. Very good. 120 is 60 doubled, right? What is 60 times 2? 120. So I am going to be doing two 60-degree angles together. So I am going to take my compass, same measurement, same everything, and I'm going to draw another arc on this line. Yes? Now what you're going to be doing is that you're going to draw a light line that crosses this point. It doesn't matter how big you draw it. Light line. I don't want any bright lines. A light line. See, like my one, you see the difference between AB and that line that I drew? It's light. So that is what you guys are going to be doing, a light line. Because we don't know how long that side is going to be as yet. So we do a rough line. And then when we have the actual line, then yes, you trace it over to something bright. Yes? Okay. You can take your protractor. You don't believe me that that's 120, or you think you didn't do it correctly, you can take your protractor and you measure if that measures 120 degrees, right? It should measure 120 degrees. So you can take your protractor, you set it there, see? Miren.
Exactly 120, miss.
Exactly 120, yes, it should be. See, my protractor over here measures the line exactly at 120 degrees. Make my numbers bigger. See over there? 120 perfectly. So that is what you should have on your paper. Now, take your ruler. Yes, anybody was going to ask something? Take your ruler and you are going to measure 3.5. If you have more, that means you didn't do it correctly. When you draw the first arc, when you draw the big arc over here, this big one, you do not close or open your compass. You have to leave it exactly how much it is. That's why I told you guys, tighten your compass so that it doesn't move. You leave your compass exactly how it is.
How many we have to measure in the ruler, miss, for the compass?
3.5. If you did not get 120, that is not correct. You guys have to do it again. So 3.5. Okay, 3.5. I'm gonna set it at B. And I'm gonna draw an arc on the line that is there. Everybody see that? My arc?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
And then now with your ruler and your pencil, you guys are gonna draw this line. Make it brighter. Oh,
¿Cuánto le puso ahí, miss?
3.5. Right here, see where my bright line finishes? Right on the arc. Does not pass the arc. Right on the arc it is. And this is gonna be point C. Yes?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now, we have two sides already. We need two more sides. So now you are going to take your ruler and your compass, and I want you to open to 5.2. 5.2. Your ruler, your compass, set it at 0, and you open it to 5.2. Oh, 5.2. Once you have that, you are gonna go to A, and you're gonna draw an arc. With the same measurement, you're gonna go to C, and you're gonna do the same thing.
How much, miss? Excuse me, how much?
5.2. Same measurement, one arc from A and one arc from C. Yes?
Yes.
And then you draw a bright line from this point of intersection to A, and then the same thing from C, and then this is gonna be D. And that is what you should have on your paper. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Can you move on to the other one?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Mm.
Okay. Um, the other question now is number five, right? Says number five. Number five says construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is 3.5, AB is 3.5, um, AB 3.5, BC is 5, CD is 4.6, angle B is 125, and angle C is 60 degrees. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, so let me go to sharing this one instead. Okay, so the first thing that you're gonna do is that you're gonna draw line AB. So let's go ahead and draw line AB. Line AB is 3.5, 3.5, right?
3.5, miss.
Yeah, 3.5. And then I'm gonna label this A and this B. Yes?
Yes, miss.
Okay, good. So this is what we're gonna be doing now. Angle B is 125 degrees. There is no mathematical construction that gives you 125, so you need your math set for this. You need your protractor, right? You're gonna put your protractor, see, right here at B. That's where the point have to be, right where B starts. And you are gonna measure 125. And with your pencil, you're gonna mark it.
Miss, what's the length from A to B?
3.5. All right, everybody should mark their protractor. It should be 125. Exactly 125. And then you remove your protractor and you should have that point marked. What is going to happen now is that you're going to draw a light line from B and pass through that point. Yes?
Yes, miss.
Okay. And then here, this angle over here is going to be 1, 2, 5. 125. Yes?
Yes, miss.
Now you're gonna take your ruler and I want you guys to open your compass to 5. Open your compass to 5. And you're gonna set it at B. And you're gonna draw an arc on this line. And now this is the line that you're gonna be making bright. Over there. And this is gonna be point C. Yes? Everybody has that?
Advanced.
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now,
Miss, can you repeat this?
you're gonna open your compass to 5 centimeters. You're gonna place your compass at B, and then you're gonna draw an arc. After you have drawn the arc, you're gonna trace this line over a little bit brighter, and that is gonna be point C.
Yes, miss.
Okay, now here you guys at point C, it says the question says that there is a 60-degree angle at point C. In your case, you can go ahead and you can turn your paper. All right, you guys can turn. I can turn my one over here. What it is that you're going to be doing is that you are going to be drawing a 60-degree angle, and we can draw the 60-degree angle using the compass. We're going to be doing the same thing. Open your compass to about halfway of this line, right? No perfect measurement over here. Your compass pointer has to be at C. Open the line to about, your compass to about halfway. And you're going to be drawing a light line, right? And you're going to be making your arc. See that? Do not close it using the same measurement, right? Do not close this. I only made the arc. I have not opened and I have not closed my compass. Then you're going to take your compass and you're going to set it at the point of intersection. And you're going to be drawing another arc there. Everybody sees that?
Yes, yes.
And then you're going to be drawing a light line from point C that crosses this point.
Yes.
Okay. You're going to take your ruler now and your compass, and you are going to measure 4.6.
How much, Miss?
4.6. And you set it at C, and you're gonna draw an arc on that line.
Miss, repeat, miss.
You are gonna open your compass to 4.6 on your ruler. Once you open to 4.6, you're gonna put it at C, and then you're gonna draw an arc on the line. Yes? Then now, you're gonna draw a bright line that connects C to this point and connects A to this point. And this is gonna be D. And there you have your quadrilateral. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, our time is up. And one more question is left. Our time is up, guys. One more question is left. It's number 6. Number 6 says construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AD is 5.6, BC is 4 centimeters, angle A is 50, angle B is 105, and angle D is 80. This one you guys can do on your own. Why do I say that? Because all you have to do is that you're gonna be drawing one line. You can draw AD first or BC first, whichever one you want to draw first. And with your protractor, you're going to be measuring 50, 105, and 80. Because none of those angles can be constructed using your compass. All of them have to be done with the protractor. So you guys can do that one on your own. Yes? You won't die. You can do it on your own. Anybody has any questions?
Wait,
Oh, miss.
Okay.
miss, I have a question.
Yes.
Miss, can you explain activity one for me, please?
Okay, activity. Okay, activity one. Activity one was with the tools. Is that one right?
Yes, miss.
Okay, guys. Those of you that need to leave, I know you have another class. You guys can go ahead and leave. I will just hurry quickly explain to.
Miss.
Bye, guys. Bye. Okay, for activity one is a flyer that you have to do, right? So it's a typing sheet size. A typing sheet, you are going to be writing the title that I have there. Um, I think it's geometric tools are used for construction, but God uses me for creation care. That is going to be your title. And then the tools that we talked about on Monday, I explained that you have the divider, you have the compass, you have the protractor, you have the set squares. All of these tools, you're going to be putting a picture of them or a drawing. You're going to be writing the name, and you're going to write what you use it for. And then you use your creativity to design it, to do whatever. You can do it electronically or you can do it handmade. That is what I'm asking for the first activity.
It was all.
Yep, that was all.
Only the tools, right?
Yep, only the tools.
Okay, Miss,
Okay,
bye.
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 Bye.